All right, hello everybody. We will be doing an unboxing and maybe a first impressions. So this won't be like a in-depth review, just my first reaction. So this will be the KukoEdc Slider. So we'll see what we find inside. See, maybe we don't need the knife. Let's see. I've been waiting for this for a few weeks now. So we have a nice package. Thank you from Greta. The moment of truth is coming. Okay, we have some message here. So that says so that is basically a thank you, a personalized thank you from Greta. So this is a nice little box. Actually, I have some use for a box like this, so that's a good thing. 2024. We have a date there. Which side is the right side? I think it's this way. So here we go. Soon we will have the first touch. So here we have it. This is the version I bought. Oh, that's nice. I was thinking about the other one. I've seen Fidget Girl EDC review the spiderweb one, and I like that version. But there was something about this particular kind of minimalistic look, but also these grooves that I thought they're very finely machined. I don't think I'm going to have a look if the camera can catch this. As you can see, that is very finely machined. And it feels, it actually, it reminds a little bit of, you know, fingerprints, right? That type of a groove, very fine groove. You can feel it with your thumb when you go like this. It feels nice. And this has a quality of like a worry stone. It just feels pleasant, and the profile has this curved angle to it, which I assume would help with separating the blades. I'm kind of teasing myself right now because I have not yet separated the blades. So should I just go for it? Or should I open it first like this and look at the blades? Let's look at the blades first. So these are the blades. And other people also said that they look very, this looks very like it is very pronounced, like it would be raised up from the blade a lot, but as you can see, it isn't really. It looks a lot more pronounced than it actually is. Now we will try it. Oh, that even I could feel just that moment when it went in. It felt so smooth. Oh. That I can't like, I can already, I feel this is like, how smooth is that? Oh my god. This is Ooh. This feels, it's like butter. This is like butter. Oh my god, and it has this, I don't know if you can hear this, when they move, there is a, this, they rub against each other. And that sound is quite nice. Now, this is very smooth. In comparison, let's take the Magnus one, the Toad-X. This is slightly heavier. I don't have a scale right now. I have it in my kitchen, but I think this is slightly heavier. Feels heavier, but this is, I mean, this is a feels very good quality, extremely good quality, and the handling, this handles like this, the sliding is just let's try this one. Can we go all around? Yes, we can. Actually, right off the bat, I would say that this slides significantly better than my Magnus. Although this, I can't even use this anymore because the plates in this, they are really, something happened with this where the plates are scratching against each other and waiting for Magnus to respond to my email so I can get this fixed, because this is not normal, that I can't, this is behaving really strangely. Like right now they catch these plates, I try to push, but there is something also like a needle going in that catches, that I can't separate them. It's catching there, I'm pushing, really I'm pushing, but it's just, it's catching, something here is catching, so I don't know what it is. And you can see scratch marks here, which were non-existent before this problem happened. But even when this was working as intended, even when the plates were like I had cleaned them, it's still not smooth like this. This is extremely smooth. I don't have a modus work one, but so I can't compare, but this feels very good. So for the price, under 100 under 100 euros or dollars, whatever it was, this is extremely good quality. It actually tried to bite me. It tried to bite me, but it didn't do so. Looking at the sides, this might, I hope this won't bite, because I had the issue with the Magnus one that it was more of an issue when I got it initially, that it would bite me a lot. Then I kind of learned. Still occasionally happened, but I hope this one won't bite. Again, it tried to bite me. It tried, but it's like my flesh went in and it just got ejected out. That was a small bite, but I made it myself, so that doesn't count. But it feels like there is something about the blade where if that had been a Magnus blade, it would have, or some of the other things, that would have actually bitten me. But not, for some reason, maybe it's just luck or something, but maybe there is a difference. Maybe because of the cross pattern, the blades are not quite touching. Maybe they are, I don't know. This was supposed to be a first impression, but I'm just kind of really enjoying this one. And I think currently I don't have many sliders, because I have some cheap ones that are really bad. I'm embarrassed to even show this. Let's put it away. I should have thrown it in the trash already. This is the first one I bought. In comparison to this one, oh, by the way, I only learned kind of after I bought that this is a knockoff of, I think it's the, I don't remember the name, but it's actually a real brand, and this is a knockoff version of that. I wish I had gotten the real one, but this is still good. The magnets are not as strong, but it's because it's not the metal on metal, this is plastic, so the sliding plates are not as smooth. I might open it and try to make this a rattle, but I kind of like the non-rattle right now for the time being. So that's it. I have some new sliders coming, and I will do a review from them when I get them. But I have one magnet also, by the way, coming, if or at least I bought one. So have the hex, the toad hex is coming, so we can do a review of that with the new plates, so we can compare the new plates, not the dimple plates that these have, with the plates that KukoEdc has, which I have to say these are great. That's everything for this time, and we'll see you on the next. Oh, by the way, I want to show you something. This is the first, this is what started years ago, although I didn't know it back then. This was years ago, before sliders, even fidget spinners were not the thing. I had this ring. This is the OG fidget for me personally that I had. That's everything. Thank you for watching.